y'all? Welcome back to the channel. At this moment, I just need something to do, so I need content. So today I'm going to be doing my side skirts for Layla. I already primered the side skirts already. I'm about to wet sand them, smooth them out with some 1000 grit sandpaper. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. This is one side skirt, wet sanded. It's a lot smoother. But I'll get the other side skirt and wet sand that, and get the heat gun, dry it off, and get some wax and tar remover to get all the oils and stuff off of it, and then hit it with some white. So as you can see, it's rough right here, like really rough, because the primer started blocking itself and it started sputtering everywhere. So, and also like right here. So wet sand this and see if I can smooth this out. Alright, so one thing for sure, when you wet sand, you don't gotta put too much pressure on it. It's pretty simple to do. Just put like really light pressure. Yep, it's working. It's starting to go away. Yep, it's smoothing out. Alright, so I just hit it with some wax and tar remover, which is this right here. Make sure also you have a face mask. Also gonna use a heat gun to heat the side skirts up, because it's how I'm gonna do it, or where I'm going to start spraying them at. It'll be right here in this puddle. Do that. Okay. Like that. Alright, so I need the heat gun to heat up the side skirt just so we get to some type of temperature, and then spray it. Alright, first I'm going to go change out of these sweatpants and put on my fucked up ones. Alright, feel better. Got on my dirty. Also, before you do the first spray, just make sure it don't not get fucked up. I do that just to make sure it don't get clogged or anything. So that's what happened with the primer. Sorry, phone died, but yeah, so that's the side skirts as it is for now. One thing I was having issues with, even though I paid more for this duplicate color, it did a little running. Not even a little, a decent amount of running. It didn't spray that well. So I found out I still got like 6 cans of these from my RSX that I never used, and this sprayed way much better. Much better. Mostly I just did the underside with this because that wasn't really laying or spraying decently enough, like evenly. This right here though, it laid real nice on the underside. I don't know what was up with the duplicate color. It wasn't laying right at all. Don't know what was up with it. Kept getting blockage. It was sputtering out really bad. Like, damn, I just spent $35 on this duplicate color. As you can see, even the backside laid up much better than earlier using this Rust-Oleum. So I'm about to use this heat gun and heat it up just so it could dry a little faster. So what I did was wet sanded the whole side skirt, just this side pretty much, with 1000 grit, and then pretty much just scuff it up, and then hit it with the Rust-Oleum gloss white. I don't know why, but I figured the duplicate color would like spray a lot easier, but it kept getting blocked, kept getting clogged, and it was just messing up all around. But this Rust-Oleum 2X gloss white was doing real good coverage. If you're doing any of this painting stuff, spray painting, whatever, put water on the ground so the water catch all the overspray, and also it won't pick up any dust. That's why I decided to do it over here. Also, one thing, also you get adhesion promoter too as well. It helps the paint stick a lot better, a lot better. Give it a couple of days before I even bother trying to put it on the car, but that's it. Yeah. Work in progress.
You know the guy used to
And Jerry gonna have to sandblast that shit.
Oh yeah.
that shit on like a motherfucker. The other guy used to use Gojo. With Gojo and shit, the grits and shit. He used to rub it up with Gojo.
It's not look back, bro. For a little garage spray.
Everything must go.
Clearance.
Right? Today's price is not tomorrow's price.
Yeah, so they say in the commercials, right?
Yep. Yeah, don't say like yesterday's price, not today's price.
Yeah, that's what it is.
What time you talking about white people? You slip, almost died. You talking about white people again? Drop that shit. That's only the second straight.
I just want the women. You know who you are.
She know who she is.
Fuck, man. You been here all goddamn night, man. It's spooky in here, man. With no one. It's quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet as
No
shit.
music. This shit taking forever. I'm afraid to turn the heat on, man.
Yeah.
Something might catch fire. I already burnt my fucking job down the other day.
Shit, and they started treating you like a king there too after, which is fucking weird. That's weirdly weird.
I know.
They're probably like, oh, Jerry had enough of us.
Yeah, I'm sitting here talking shit. I burned their damn facility down and shit. Now they buy me lunch and pizza parties and shit like that.
That's crazy.
Let me shut the fuck up.
I think it's that compression.
Oh, battery.
Because trying to turn the motor and listening to it, it didn't really sound like it had a strong compression at all. So if it still don't start, I think it's compression. Definitely getting fuel. Trying to see what gets this dude on first.
Put the new fuel in already?
Yep.
Tag it.
Oh yeah, it's firing.
It's good.
Yeah, it's firing. So it's getting fuel.
It's on time, man. It's getting fuel. Spark.
Oh shit.
This car being real.
Shit, 90 and 21. This one's still low too. The cylinder 3 is at 120. Yeah, the block's no good. It's at 90 on 4.
I wonder what causes that shit.
Yeah, that shit way too low. It should be in the 170s, 180s.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like above 170.
Fuck! Shit. Alright.
And that's what I said, like all the other cars I done did and no shit started right up. Like it gotta be something else.
Can't win with this shit. Got everything all nice, clean, fancy and shit. Junk ass motor. Well, back to the drawing board. We'll buy another goddamn motor.
At least your valve cover nice.
Huge count.
Alright, so it's the next day. Got the side skirts on. Freaking snowing again. It was supposed to rain yesterday. It rained and then it turned into snow. And it was snowing off and on all day today. And it's coming down once again. So, but just threw the side skirts on. This side kind of giving me some problems a little bit. It would, like just wouldn't sit in place. But ended up getting them on. And look at this, it's like 20 minutes later and no more snow. But it might snow again because look at this, it's getting cloudy again. It was just sunny as hell. This New England weather is crazy, man. But I'm gonna close the video out here and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.